DOEC Triple C syllabus, World Wide Web and web browser. Part 2. Online contents for Triple C syllabus are Introduction to Computer, Introduction to GUI based operating systems, Elements of word processing, spreadsheet, computer communications and internet, World Wide Web and web browsers, communications and collaborations, making a small presentation. Search engine. A search engine is a program that searches a document for specified keywords and returns a list of the documents where the keywords are found. Although search engine is really general class of programs, the term is often used to specifically describe systems like Google's AltaVista and Excite that enables users to search for documents on the World Wide Web and the Usenet news groups. Techniques for using a search engine. The best way to learn how to use a search engine is to read the help information and practice. If you want to search for words that must be together, you can put them within quotation marks. Thus, if your first search doesn't find what you want, it is a good idea to try different combinations. There are easy way to narrow the search. Use a plus sign to indicate you want only web pages that contains a specific words. Use a minus sign to indicate you want only web pages that do not contain a specific words. Accessing web browser. To open web browser, double-click on icons of your browser. Example, click blue color and encircle E on your desktop. For opening Internet Explorer. For opening any key page in web browser, write URL of that page in address bar of browser. The term URL stands for Uniform Resource Locators, the global addresses of documents and other resources on the World Wide Web. The most popular resources on the net are many millions of the web pages stored on web servers all over the world. Accessing web browser. Anyone with an internet connection and a browser can access these pages, of course, in order to fetch a web page for you. Your browser needs to know where to find the page. To describe the location of the web pages, we use a special type of address called a URL. URL is made up of the several parts. The first part is the protocols which tells the web browser what sort of server it will be talking to in order to fetch the URL. The protocol is HTTP as so. The second part of example URL given in the figure is the fully qualified domain names of the website to correct to. In this case, the fully qualified domain names is www.toeic.edu.in. This name identifies the websites containing the page. The third part of the example URL is the path at which the particular web page is located on the web server. In this case, the path is /csv/cc.htm. Using favorites. Favorites menu allows you to create a list of favorite pages and organize them into folders. Once you have done that, then to go to a favorite page, you just need to select the page you want from the favorites menu. To add the web page to your favorite list, follow the given steps. Click the favorites menu and select Add to Favorites, or click Add to Favorites on the Favorites Explorer bar. The Add Favorite dialog box appears. In the name text box, changes the name of page if you desire. In the Create in box, select the location of the favorite page if you wish to organize favorite pages in folders. Click the OK button. Your favorite page will be added to favorite menu or under a sub menu as you created. Downloading. Downloading is the process of taking a file from a computer on the internet and saving that file on your own computer. You can download any material, which can be movies, clips, songs, text files, selected text, software, freeware, etc. The selected material can be in virtually any format, including applications files, .exe, zip files, .zip, word processing, document, .docs, multimedia files, .wav, etc. To download a file, you need to click on an appropriate links given for the purpose, which automatically start the download process. Sometimes it is necessary to hold down the Shift key while clicking on a link to begin the download. After starting the download, a dialog box will prompt the user to choose a destination place to download the file. This download location can be on your computer's hard drive, pen drive, or floppy disk. After choosing the desired destination and clicking Save, the file will begin to download. Printing web pages. While browsing, surfing the internet, you will come across many web pages that you really like. Maybe it's recipe you want to make, a picture you like, or tutorial from the websites. The currently open web page can be saved and or be printed for later use. For example, if you have accessed a long and useful text file on the net, you may want to save it to read it offline later on. if you are paying per minute for connection time. You can also print out later as well. To save a web page, first check or make sure that the whole file loaded was the indicator at the bottom of your browser, or hit Ctrl End to take you to the bottom of the document. See if it is all there. From the main menu at the top of your browser, click File, then from the drop down menu, click Save As. Printing the web page. To print your desired web page, follow the given instruction. Open your web page that you want to print in your browser. On the top of your browser is a menu. Click on the first option, File, in the menu. Another menu will drop down. After the menu drop down, click on the option Print. A box will pop up when you click on Print. Click on the button, then says OK, and your printer will start printing the pages.